For decades, the Meru farmer has toiled under the sun, only to lose half their harvest to waste and middlemen. But the tide is turning. Rising from the heart of Buri sub-county, the Meru County Aggregation and Industrial Park, CAIP, is ready and stands as a monument to transformation for a new agro-business economy in Meru. A promise kept, a vision realized.
We have security for our farmers. Once you invest in your farming, there is a shorter distance for you, rent a market for you, rent a factory for you, to take products from the farm to the factory and to the market, both locally and internationally.
With state-of-the-art cold rooms and aggregation blocks, we are securing the value of our coffee, avocado, bananas, and the green gold. Mirror for our people, our farmers.
Our mission is very clear: to transform Meru's rich agricultural potential into a sustainable wealth for the farmers, investors, and the entire county.
Over 50,000 jobs, billions in economic exchange, a global gateway for Meru's finest products.
Meru is the first county to avail this opportunity to any investor. The CAIP has the enablers connected to the facility, situated at the heart of major World Bank projects, LAPSET and Isiolo International Airport.
This is the industrial revolution realized for Meru farmers under the leadership of Governor Mutuma through a partnership of the county government and the national government. Building Meru together, delivering the promise.